So I have been a marketing student since forever. मैंने पढ़ाई भी marketing में ही की है, marketing, communication, social media. I love that, and I love a good eye-catching campaign. जब भी होता है, I have to like literally stop everything and like figure that shit out. कि how did they make it happen? So a good marketing campaign is the one that breaks the social media noise, because एवरी सेकेंड इतना पीस ऑफ जंक कॉन्टेंट बन रहा है कि टू ब्रेक दैट नॉइस इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. अ गुड कैंपेन इज़ इट हिट्स द ब्रीफ, इट्स सुपर फन, लाइट, एंटरटेनिंग, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ चल रहा है बहुत, हम एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं वो कैंपेन के बारे में, इज़ अ बिग हिट. दैट मीन्स कि it has a very good chance of going viral. That's exactly what happened with this Maybelline eyelash mascara campaign. My mom sent me this video on Instagram and I knew this कि भाई ये viral हो चुका है, super viral. So basically what Maybelline did was they installed this eyelashes on top of metro trains in Tube. लंदन में हो रहा था ये. And so every station पे जब भी वो ट्रेन पास होती थी तो the wand would automatically curl the eyelash. And it was bloody genius, funny, cute, entertaining, genius. Everybody took photos and videos of it. So this went super viral, and this sort of marketing campaign is called experiential marketing campaign, where you get to actually experience it firsthand. Yeah, but again, I was not as impressed because this was something, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उन्होंने sort of कहीं से चुराया हुआ है campaign, because they were not the first one to do a campaign like this. If you all are aware about this French handbag, luxury handbag brand, they are called Jacquemus. They are independent French luxury bag designer brand, and they wanted to tell their audience ke hey, this bag is big and it fits everything. So one fine morning they literally rolled out buses in the form of large handbags on the street of Paris, and this is the exact kind of marketing campaign that I live for. I mean, it's fresh, it's innovative, and people got to talking. Like, it went super viral. You can just Google it, handbags on the street of Paris, if you're not aware. इसके बहुत videos भी है, Instagram पे भी है, and YouTube पे भी है. It's hilarious, it's funny, it's really like noise breaking, social media worthy content. The other brand recently that I had to stop and actually analyze and figure out was the movie Barbie. Yeah, they did something out of the box, and I was like, shit, that is so real. What? How? Why? What? So the movie is not even out yet, and there is a lot of buzz, a lot of marketing. They've done so many collaborations at this point कि literally everybody is talking about the movie in some way or the other. इधर बारबी के बारे में बात हो रही है अभी, या तो फिर ओपेनहाइमर द मूवी के बारे में बात हो रही है. बोथ आर रिलीजिंग ऑन द सेम डे. समथिंग रियली स्टूपिड इन द सेंस कि पब्लिक गांडू है, फालतू मैं क्या बोलूँ, फालतू कंपैरिजन हो रहा है ये दो मूवी के बीच में, जस्ट बिकॉज वो लोग सेम डे पे निकल रही है. आई एम लाइक, ये व्हाट द फक, के क्या चूतिया आप है. सी, मेरा लॉजिक ऐसा है कि सी, the genre is very different, the marketing approach is extremely different, the target demographic is complete matlab out of the world different for both of these movies, and people just can't seem to stop comparing these movies. That is dumb. So Oppenheimer, Christopher Nolan की film है, he's a cinematic genius. He always tries to push the boundary when it comes to good cinema. I knew for this specific movie he made a whole new camera lens, his vision to actually come true. So Oppenheimer is a movie about a man who helped create the Manhattan Project, and he's the father of the atomic bomb. So around atomic bomb के around basically movie है ये, World War II I believe. That's what we are expecting. again, the casting for this movie is bloody brilliant. A-list celebrities hai, Cillian Murphy, Florence Pugh, Robert Downey Jr., Emily Blunt, Remy Malek, like the list goes on. इतना ज़बरदस्त cast. अब बारबी को ले लो. Barbie, like every single one is talking about Barbie, and every single one wants to hop onto this marketing train and try to catch that wave of virality जो बारबी ने पकड़ी हुई है. मुझे जेन्युइनली ऐसा लगता है कि सम वे और दी अदर सब लोग अपना अपना हाथ पाँव से दे आर टेस्टिंग द वाटर्स कि हमें मिल सकता है क्या कुछ मार्केटिंग, कुछ मिल सकता है क्या, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट्स एग्जैक्टली हैपनिंग. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. मैं आई एम गेटिंग टू एक्साइटेड. द टॉय मेकर ऑफ बारबी, आई थिंक मेटल इज द ब्रांड नेम. Metal have often been very badly slandered. They've been called out pretty harshly for its dolls setting some unrealistic beauty standards and lack of diversity के कारण भी. So over the years they have heard what people had to say. Barbie adapted to the changing times. The brand now sits at around $1.5 billion in revenue in 2020. Of course, like when you hear what public says, this is what happens. Either you go bankrupt or you end up hitting the nail in the coffin or whatever. क्या बोलेंगे? You become richy rich. Like they got the brief to the T. They got it, and they heard the people what they wanted, and that's how उनका business चल रहा है. So this movie was directed by Greta Gerwig, starring Margot Robbie as Barbie, Ryan Gosling as Ken. We can also see more brilliant क्या बोलेंगे actresses. There was Ferrell, there was Emma Mackey, Simu Liu, friends of Barbie and Ken in the movie. Fun fact, Margot and Emma Mackey, they look so goddamn similar. इतना similar, like मेरे को पहले ऐसे लगा कि यार shit, यही बंदी है ना, यही बंदी है जो सेक्स एजुकेशन में थी, उसी ने वो सेक्स एजुकेशन छोड़ के उसने ये मूवी लीड की है बारबी की. बट देन व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड कि यार ओ नो शिट, ये दो डिफरेंट लड़कियां हैं. लाइक मार्गरेट रॉबी इज़ हार्ली क्विन, आई बिलीव हार्ली क्विन, एंड एमा मैकी इज़ अ होल डिफरेंट एक्ट्रेस. ये दो डिफरेंट पीपल है. मुझे काफ़ी बाद में पता चला. शिट. एनीवेज, Barbie started their marketing with a सीधा साधा simple सा movie poster, and boss, they have built up large scale collaboration हुए हैं ना, इतने बड़े कि I could not even freaking believe it. Like we are looking at collaborating with over 100 brands till date. The thought process कि कैसे किया होगा उन्होंने इज़ अनरियल. मेरा मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मेरा ऐसे मानना है कि यार अगर 100 ब्रांड्स ले लो तो एवरी ब्रांड का अगर 1 मिलियन, 500,000 to 1 मिलियन फॉलोइंग होगा तो वो लोग सोशल मीडिया पे तो धमाल ही कर रहे होंगे. लाइक अगर 100 ब्रांड्स का 1 मिलियन होगा तो 100 मिलियन व्यूज़ तो ऐसे ही 100 मिलियन तो रीच मिल ही रहा है. चलो 100 नहीं तो 50 मिलियन तो मिल ही रहा है. लाइक इट इज़ क्रेजी. They started with Airbnb. So Airbnb hosted a real life Barbie. Like they did like a Malibu dream house. Beautiful, pink, sparkly. It's currently on the market. You can rent it out. You can stay there for a night or two. And I'm like, that's an Instagrammer's paradise. Instagrammer's dream come true. There was Xbox. They came out with pink gaming console. Aldo, this accessory brand, they did a line of shoes with Barbie, and like 10-15 हज़ार की shoes है वो. I'm like, what? Are you crazy? The Gap did that. Gap X Barbie happened. OPI nail polishes came out with 7 or 8 shades for this specific collaboration. There was NYX Cosmetic, Fossil Watches. I saw even Burger King doing this huge combo meal. It was called Hot Pink Burger King combo meal. ऐसा कुछ तो भी. So it had like a layer of pink goop. I don't know क्या था वो, चीज़ था कि आई डोंट नो मेयो था कि उसने कलर्ड मेयो है कि गॉड नोस. It was a layer of pink in the burger. That's pretty cool. And then Zara did a collaboration with the Barbie, like पूरा मर्च का मर्च ही उन्होंने, कपड़े से लेके बैग से लेके एक्सेसरी से लेके फ्रेग्रेंस, they've got it all. I'm like, are you kidding me? I think Miniso, लेटेस्ट अपडेटर्स की Miniso ने भी एक कोलैबोरेशन किया है छोटा सा है. I'm like, क्या कर रहे हैं, पगले हो गए? इतना कोलैबोरेशन, इतना वर्ड ऑफ माउथ करके क्या करना है? ओवर हाइप मत कर दो, नज़र मत लगाओ खुद को. खुद को नज़र मत लगाओ, गॉड. अब यू वुड थिंक कि यार यहाँ पे कोलैबोरेशन हो जाएगा यार, बस ठीक है हो गया, अभी फ्राइडे तो पास में ही है. यू वुड थिंक कि दे वुड स्टॉप देयर, बट नहीं. They got a very diverse set of musicians to come and give soundtrack to the movie. So I could see Billie Eilish, Lizzo, Dua Lipa, Nicki Minaj. बहुत सारे A-list talented musicians have given voice to this Barbie का album. So that means कि अब ये सब आर्टिस्ट अपने अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे प्रमोशन भी करेंगे उनके खुद के म्यूज़िक का. Because that's exactly how I came across Billie Eilish promoting her track for the movie Barbie. And indirectly मतलब बारबी को ही मिल रहा है ना प्रमोशन. मतलब हर सेलिब्रिटी को अगर 10 से 25 या 30 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स अगर हो गए हर सेलिब्रिटी के, तो कितना मार्केटिंग हो रहा है. भयानक. In fact, you know, I believe you could do this in form of marketing, because I think maybe शायद Game of Thrones did it. This was not the first time Google did something, or they told Google to do it. So if you put in Google Barbie or Margot Robbie or Ryan Gosling or even Greta Gerwig, Google does this funny thing. It pops pink confetti on your screen, and then the screen turns entirely pink in the honor of the movie Barbie launching. I'm like, how fucking cool is that? They've thought like वो 360 कैंपेन पूरा सब उन्होंने कुछ नहीं छोड़ा है, सब प्रॉपर कवर कर लिया है. खाने से लेके, कपड़े से लेके, परफ्यूम, फ्रेग्रेंस से लेके हर एक सेक्टर, हर एक डेमोग्राफिक में वो लोग घुस चुके हैं, लिटरली. So see, all that matters, I believe, at the end of the day is the whole, you know, package, the cinematic experience, the acting, the script, craftsmanship, costume, production design, you know, it all comes down to the whole package of it all. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद maybe I am too noob to really understand the depth of the movie, because Oppenheimer तो ये तो मैं पक्का है कि मेरे को एक बार में समझने नहीं वाली है वो मूवी, 2-3 बार देखना पड़ेगा to understand कि वो बोलना क्या चाहता है, because there is lot of times there is more to it than it meets the eye. But this is like a very happy, fluffy movie is how I could label the movie Barbie. So, you know, I hope it does not fall flat. I hope people get it. I hope people understand the technicalities of what it takes to create such a movie. I even heard that they used so much pink in the set, in the studio, that the world ran out of the color pink, which kind of is so funny, bizarre. But like, I wonder if they are overhyping the movie. और मे बी इतना हाइप का ज़रूरत नहीं था कि अब लोगों के पास लोग इतने एक्साइटेड, इतने एक्सपेक्टेड, मतलब उनका इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ गया कि मे बी शायद द मूवी माइट नॉट मीट द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द ऑडियंस. इतना मार्केटिंग कर चुके वो लोग. आई वांट टू लाफ, आई वांट टू क्राई, आई वांट टू डू बोथ. Both of the movies are releasing on the same day, that's July 21st. Let me know which movie tickets you will end up buying first, and also let me know कि यार आप कौन सी मूवी 2 बार देखने वाले हो. See you Sunday. Bye Barbie. Bye Ken.